Yo, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Alright, I guess you're all fine. Today we're going to be talking about chord construction. How these chords are constructed. You may have heard about the 7th chord, the 11th, the 13th, and which one? The 9th. Those odd numbers, right? Like G major 7, G major 9, G dominant 9, G dominant 7, G, you know those chords, how they are constructed. Alright? You can check my previous video on triads to get this. I'm assuming you know what a triad is. Alright? A triad is a chord with what? 3 notes. Alright? Every chord is made up of what? 3 main notes. Alright? The 1, the 3, and the 5th. Alright. Alright. Let's start with the 7th. If you want to construct a G major 7, in this case we're using the G major. The G. If you want to construct the G major 7, G major 7 is like this. This is how it's constructed, right? You take it from the main G, the G major, alright? Then you count the values, or you look at the notes in it. In this case, if you want to construct a G major 7, you take the 7th note, then you flat it. The 8th note, then you flat it. You see, this chord is made up of these notes here. So this is the note. Look at this note here. If you want to construct a G major 7, you flat this note. It's an 8th or a 1 or an octave above, a G octave. Alright, you flat this note onto this part here, like so. Alright, you flat this note here to there. Then you are left with something like this. That's where the G major 7 is coming from. It's from this note here. Then you flat this one. That's where you get the G major 7. Then if we flat this value again, this 7, that's when we get the dominant 7. This one. You may have to change your finger because it's almost impossible to put this finger on this note here. We flat that note again, like so. That's G dominant 7. Right? That's G dominant 7. After the G dominant 7, we go to the 6th note. That's where you find the major 6th chord. Keep your eyes on these 2 fingers here. Like so. That's a G major 6. Take note we're skipping out this note here. It's muted. Using this part of the finger. Alright. That's a G major 6. Alright. Alright. Let's start with the G major. G major is like this. Alright, then we flat this one. We are left with what? G major 7. Then we get G dominant 7. If we go down again, we get G major 6. Or G8 6th. For G major 9, you just switch these two fingers, the index finger and the pinky. You switch them like this, like so. That's G major 9. G major 9 comes from adding notes. We all know that there are 7 notes in a scale, right? If you repeat those notes again, let's say in this case, this is G major scale, right? If you want to get G major 9, you have to add on top of 7, you have to add 2. So this is 1, right? We add the 2 over here. Like so. So that's where the G major 9 is coming from. This note is a 2 after the 1. That's what we do. So 7 plus 2, that's 9. That's G major 9. Alright? Okay. I think that wraps up for today. Thank you guys. If you got some questions, you can put them in the description and put them in the comments section. Then I'll be happy to reply. Thank you guys. Peace.